Because my person I gonna say I want to get to know Lucy and not me.
Before we start this video, I want to go check out my boss, my general, my quenga, Pari cooking. Enough time I telling you about this. If you don't watch that channel here, you're not gonna learn to cook. The reason why I can't cook now because I watch that channel here. Make him know say a Razablade send you. Now, let's start the video. Squad. What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and today I'm there with a banger for you. No phone is supposed to say my sister and my brother-in-law they are with me for a few days. Them come, we give them the best hospitality, but there's no way you can come into my house and not get pranked. So I have this idea, and it finally finished up here, so I feel like I'm ready to deal with it. I'm not going to do no little simple prank on them. They are a married couple, have a child together, so I'm going to test the fate. So I have a friend where I'm going to make call and flirt with Lucy. Meanwhile, Lovell did it. Because I want to see how Lovell going to react because my sister is saucy. And Lucy humble. So I want to know how I'm going to react under the pressure. I hope the girl on my link I got to deal with it proper. You see me I say. So ladies and gentlemen, sit down, relax, get ready because it's showtime. Squad.
Yeah,
Hello?
what's on there, son?
I'm there.
Where you there?
I'm there home, I know. Remember say all you locked down, you know. So we have to do home.
Oh, damn. Oh, so Lovell there, yo?
Yeah, you want to talk to them now?
Yeah, but you know, so for a long time I told you say you don't want to hear them all.
Alright. Okay, one of your fans want to talk to you.
Hello. Hi, Lovell. Hi. Oh, thank you.
Ask her which one her favorite one because I saw them live.
Is Lucy there? Yeah.
Ask her which one her favorite. Ask her. But I don't know.
What's
Ask her which one her
Yeah.
favorite. It's time fun.
Yeah.
We go somewhere.
Okay.
Hi, I'm good. I'm good. Eh? You good so far, you know? Yeah, thank you. Eh?
Are you hearing me?
Yeah,
Loud and clear?
yeah.
As I was saying before, being honest with each other, they're kind of the reason why I watch you on YouTube videos.
Why?
Okay,
Eh?
I just love your energy.
Oh,
And we get to know each other more.
I already watch the video them say you know me. Oh, you might ain't got big one.
Yeah.
Love it. What you say, man? You know what?
Why you going to take me to talk to me person?
Because my person I gonna say I want to get to know Lucy and not me. She talk to me and then she just cuts to
Quick,
Lucy.
say you give her my phone and put her in her place. Ratted.
I know she we need to go dirty self. I can't
You
see
know, say
her.
nothing.
But
You ask her, I
listen,
say, why? She said she want to know me more, and I say, you already watch the video them.
So, no, yo, so they should have just give me my phone them level or tell me if you run the first off my phone car.
no, but me not going on. Me not know in person, so me not going on a conversation in person. So we just hang up.
Okay. So what she say?
She said she want to get to know Lucy.
I will do what you say.
Because I love his smile. I love his.
Come on, love it. People, I go one of you man smile or say. Everybody now go look everything for you alone.
No, I'm never tell me not jealous or not like that.
So you ain't quite not jealous?
No, because the girl said she want to get me know Lucy. Why she never say? Remember say me and Lucy a package. Why she never get me know
No, but
us?
somebody can want if you know you and don't know us.
That's true.
And everybody want to know me for the channel or no people watch me and they
No,
don't watch.
no. Your ends are different. Ends are Babu Ram. You are real.
So because I'm name Lovell and Lucy on
Yes.
YouTube. No, but we're still an individual.
The Brenton.
Yeah, so right.
So well, if no people watch me and them not even like me, and you enjoy them like.
No say. I girls say that. Hi, let me see you.
Me, but did you honor first somebody who takes and go and love me, so no, no, you're going to
Well,
do.
like, Cara,
But you should have known, you know.
No, me not, because me not cause, but the person cause it a cause problem.
You know, so
You know, cause no problem.
But look at the guy up on ya.
No, because that old Lucy reply and I say, what you did
What me
say?
say? Yeah, when me say to you, man, me say, Ari, I watch your video them, so why you not want to get to know me? You don't already know me.
And the girl said, I would like to get to know you.
And you know, so me never chat to me.
You know, hey, you know me know woman already. Me know woman that coming back at me and hear your girl say, I'd like to get to know you.
So you say, yeah, imply say, oh, I'm a flirty Lucy.
Most likely.
Right, dude.
Right now, you know what person is coming up first.
Oh, no, my friend, them man, she love Lovell though.
She
Lovell.
love Elle, but it's not me she call for talk to.
Suppose she love you and cause, she know, you don't know.
She say the reason why she watch your video because you don't know why.
Exactly, and it's one way a package. Me, you and Raise are different careers are doing channel and Angel have their own channel. But me and Lucy is me and
Me have
Lucy.
people who watch your video for you, and you have people.
So like, yeah, so basically, because I know name Lovell and Lucy are one package, so they have to like both on one time.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Nah, what was that?
It not go work so. Cause if we don't know still. But sorry about that, I have to go put her in her place, say yo, relax yourself. And she pressure me, say she want to talk to me, you know.
You're too jealous, man.
Not
You never
jealous.
know, so I'm jealous. But nothing wrong with that still, are your
Girl,
husband?
that's a secure our property.
Are your husband? Are you secure, you secure
You don't have to
husband?
secure nothing, because you know, so me not.
Me know about the other girl I say she love me but she never me talk to her she say hi love how you doing and then she want to talk to you. She never calls me talk to me.
Let's suppose I did one man, you would hang up before so.
Yeah.
What is not this?
Yeah, then she put the girl in her place.
Me to send me
But the girl and put the girl in her place because she out order.
No, I'm not gonna make she talk back to him, because for a problem she a try to create it. So
no better you talk to her ask her why
So you want me call her back and ask her?
yeah, like call her ask her say
Alright, are you? When it's not really call for still, you know, but
right.
You have people up Adiana more.
watch us me a cock up on the babysitting, sorry. Yeah, people love Adiana more, you see what I'm saying? John, you know, say, my sister ain't got, but she a tell me like why I say, boy, it's like, yeah, flirt with Lucy, a real thing.
No, in a real quick, all she say like
Hold on a little bit. Here, the girl are different herself. Talk.
I'm not flirt with Lucy.
She never did flirt, she just say she like him smile.
I still tell him say, yo, I respect him videos and things. Nothing more than that.
but team videos them but we are package we're supposed to like 2 videos.
I still phone no video love her if she just say, you know Jamaican talk about so she say
remember
food.
say English video you have to specify, you have to go in a detail.
What side? Novel?
When you say film videos then that means you have film
No, me never
something
finish
right? When you
them.
say
Talk to
2 videos
Lucy.
then
No, so me can't make you talk about thing called Novel. I want to bust in head.
no, me not but the end. No.
So she can't talk to him then.
Talk, okay, here it goes.
So you have to hear.
Yes, we have to hear.
Alright, talk.
Yeah, look at Diego before. What you guys say? Yeah? Yeah.
No! Can't go outside, that's all. No. Honestly, I don't trust him, I don't trust you because you're going to say if you go one side that don't make no
Oh,
sense.
this is eaten.
That's the thing, I don't want you to circle my sister, but just have to push you down.
Alright, you can go on.
Lucy tell you what me said.
Alright, you can go one side.
Yeah, me the one side.
Oh, that was quick. Anyways, as I was saying before, Marita video them,
Yeah.
and the other reason why I'm watching
Me?
is the me. Let me tell you why, just love hear you laugh, just love see you smile. Make sure it's the love him at the day,
No, still not loving that year. I only Adiana year, so she can't talk about. Yeah.
But funny about
You must seem mad.
you sure the hair pretty?
Eh?
What she said?
Nice. My hair pretty, nice Indian beauty.
Me already do me up.
Yeah, but like it's a baby sister, they brother.
No, I saw she already. You see, you love her belly flat.
Love it.
Yeah, what can I do?
Eh?
Her phone, I really can't God, I do it. Master, give me that phone there. Give me that phone there. Give me that phone here.
Jesus, I'm tired.
No, man, I forgot black hair because she'll be smooth.
It's more than a JSP and PMP. You want another baby Lucy? You want another baby mother?
But when you come back, you smell it right out nowhere, I say, Master.
That one there too.
That woman, they had trouble. Why, I tell you.
Again now, woman have to be your sister.
Why, sorry about that. Never do this, alright, boy.
Just a joke, because you never this nobody.
Oh, you mean that?
This
She had...
defend the girl.
No, me not defend her. She had this when she had running for your man like that, Lovell. So me had this her. No, me just find it funny card, Lovell. You cannot see anything me tell Ian just say, woman never see me like me, man never see her like her. So me don't act like a rocket
Yeah,
science.
but yeah, my brother and you love me, so you're supposed to defend.
Oh, you mean that's why me go tell her about her
yeah,
BBC?
yeah.
No, me dey laugh because she had about pretty hair and see. But me go diss her. Me a diss her, you see me I say. But before me diss her. The footage supposed to dark, but we're gonna check and see if it's alright still. You don't know in your eye camera anything can go on, but I call about the girl and show her say, and me tell her to do it. So no problem she agree.
Understand where you're going like car. You're going to intro.
Yeah. Yeah, hello. They find out about the prank, you know, you can't tell them.
Wait, tell them it's so quick. Lovell, no hair, girl.
And Miss Lucy, boy, you're gonna get coolie, baby.
No, coolie baby.
And sister, how do you get sister ready?
Oh, Jesus, poor thing.
Poor thing. And so you go when you come in a Razablade house, Frank have to run. Lovell, sweat it.
Oh, God, poor thing.
I sweat things set, man, but big up for help me with the prank, you see me?
Of course, yes, I don't know.
Alright, I'm gonna check it right now because you can get the dark which part of the video, but I hopefully I can fix it. You
Yeah,
see me?
man.
Because I need it for sure. Alright, bless you.
No, yeah, man, no problem.